Hi, this is for my friends in Chicago. I'm doing this tape to endorse William Kelly, who's running for mayor of Chicago. He's a Republican, although it's a nonpartisan election, as you may know. And Emanuel is very vulnerable. His job approval is down in the high 20s. His vote share is very low in the polling. People have gotten that he basically hasn't done anything, that his promises of improving things in Chicago have not worked. Chicago still has 3 times New York City's murder rate relative to its population. He just borrowed $900 million, not for capital construction or to build highways or hospitals or bridges or schools, but to pay operating expenses. In fact, he's borrowing to pay the interest on the debt he already borrowed. You know, Chicago had 3 million in population in 2000. Now it has only 2.7 in 2010 and probably will be a lot lower by 2020. Chicago's in the same downward spiral that Detroit found itself in and couldn't escape from. And Emanuel's doing everything he can to let that downward spiral continue and indeed accelerate. When you increase taxes on homeowners who are struggling to make a go of it and stay in the city, you're forcing them out of the city. You're forcing them into Cook County, the suburbs, and the areas around Chicago. If Emanuel has his way, he's going to make Chicago into a bagel city, a periphery, but nothing in the middle, because he will have soaked the middle for every welfare program he can think of, every tax he can think of, and to make sure future generations don't have it any easier, he's borrowing money which adds to the debt service, which means sooner or later all of Chicago's taxes are just going to pay the interest on the debt he's already accumulated. Bill Kelly is a young, dynamic guy, a television producer who set up a private studio and put together a very successful operation. He's won an Emmy. He produces a lot of TV programs that you probably know about in the Chicago region. And he's a wonderful guy, very funny, very strong, very personable. But also very sharp. He has aggressive style. He'll take this campaign to Rahm Emanuel. He'll make him answer for his conduct. And in the absence, so far, of any serious Democratic challenge to Emanuel, Kelly has a shot at winning this. So many voters in Chicago are determined never to vote for Emanuel again. And remember, of course, this is a nonpartisan election. So a Republican in Chicago has a chance, particularly if his opponent is named Rahm Emanuel. Thanks for watching.